Have I got your attention? Hi, I'm Ron, and I just used WP Video Ace to take full control of this normal YouTube video, to force it to display in full screen mode and to make you engage with this message. That's right, I'm using WP Video Ace on this video right now. And just like that, I can take control and exit full screen on command too. WP Video Ace is a brand new WordPress plugin that lets you take total control of how visitors watch and engage with video on your site. It gives you access to literally dozens of powerful new engagement effects that you can apply to any video to drastically increase your sales, opt-in, and conversions. In fact, I'm using another of these powerful engagement effects right now. Try scrolling up and down this page while this video plays and see what happens. You'll see a thumbnail version of this video playing as you navigate the page. Go ahead, give it a try. Scroll up and down the page now. But as impressive as these effects are, I've only shown you the tip of the iceberg. WP Video Ace contains many more engagement effects and hundreds of options to put you in total control of your video message. So let me hand you over to Dan, who will show you more of the software in action.
Hi, my name's Dan Green. I'm the developer of WP Video Ace, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of the product. So with WP Video Ace, you've got access to unlimited players. You can create as many players as you want, and you can install them anywhere on your site. So we've got a couple set up here, and I'll just dive into one of these, and I'll show you how this works. So when you come to set up a new player, you can choose from 3 different video sources. So you could have a local video that you've got uploaded on your site, or you could even upload a new file to your site and host it from there too using this interface. You can also have an external URL. So if you had your video hosted on Amazon or hosted on another location anywhere on the internet, you can just put the location of your video in there and you can run your videos from there. And finally, we also have YouTube videos. So you can use any YouTube video you want and you just need to paste in the URL here. So I'm going to use a sales video from another product of mine just for this example. So I'm going to paste that in here. And then if we click preview, we can see we've got a preview of the video within the plugin. Then we just need to do some quick setup, so we can configure the video and have it display exactly how we want it. So we can choose the width, and we can have this in pixels, percentage. I'm just going to have percentage 100%. Choose the aspect ratio. I'm going to leave it in widescreen 16:9 ratio. Choose the video quality. Well, I want to have it default to the maximum quality, so I can do that just by clicking that. Got a few other sections here. We can have it autoplay. I'll just leave autoplay on no for now. We can show the controls. So if I was to have that as no, we'll show you what that means in a sec. We can also enable the video looping, and we can show the information on the video as well. So that's like the video title and things like that. So I think I'll remove the video information and we'll click publish. Now with WP Video Ace, you've got different shortcodes associated with all the different players. So to actually use one of your players, you just need to grab the shortcode for the one. So this one is the shortcode for the demo that video we've just created. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to create a new post. I'm going to call it the Video Ace demo, and I'm going to embed my shortcode in there. So it'd be publish, and then we view the post. We can see our video has been embedded, and if we press play. But the really cool thing with WP Videos are the custom engagement effects that you can add to really grab your visitors' attention. So let me talk you through a few of those now. First one is full screen video mode, and this lets you force full screen mode at any point in the video. So you could have it, you could force full screen mode for the whole video if you want. So you could have it from the beginning to the end in full screen mode no matter what. Or maybe there's a section in the video that you really want to highlight, that you really want to make sure that your visitor is engaging with. Well, you can do that too. So let me show you a quick example. You just put a start and an end point in here for your full screen mode. I will start it after 2 seconds. And then I will end it after 8 seconds. So if we just update this and then refresh the video and then hit play, watch what happens after 2 seconds. 1, 2, boom. Then we just wait.
Video impacts your business to increase profits and conversions.
boom, after 8 seconds it switches back. So you've taken full control of that video there. But WP Videoace can do way more than that. So let's take a look at another one of these great features. Let's have a look at resize video with contents. So I'm going to make this video at a certain point. So again, we'll leave it between 2 and 8 seconds. But again, you can have this happen whenever you want between any start and end point in the whole video. I'm going to have the video resize, and I'm going to have some content appear to the right. So again, if this is some, if there's a particular point in the video that you want something to happen, maybe you've got a point in your video where you're asking your customers to buy, maybe that would be the point to have a buy button appear. So let's do that. Let's resize the video 60% and then have a buy button appear to the right. So I'll have my content appear to the right, choose that here. I'll also paste in a buy button, so I've just got a buy button I'm grabbing from REvIEW, and then I'll put that in my locked content section. So whatever I put in here will appear to the right of my video at the point specified. Let's have a look and see how this works. So our buy button in there, we click update, refresh the page. And then at 2 seconds, instead of full screen mode, let's watch what happens now. 1, 2, boom. So our video is resized and our buy button has appeared on command. And you could have the buy button appear above, so you can have it appear on top, to the left, to the right, to the bottom. You can have it appear anywhere around the video that you want. And it doesn't have to be a buy button, it could be literally anything you want. You've got access to the whole of the WordPress editor here, so whatever you put in here will appear. That could be an opt-in form, maybe it's a download link, maybe it's an image. I mean, an opt-in form in here would be so powerful. Imagine asking your visitors to subscribe and then at that exact moment having your opt-in form appear. But that's not all you can lock. You can also lock entire post content in a separate shortcode. Let me show you how that works instead. So I'll delete this buy button here that we've got and I'll replace it with some dummy text, just a couple of paragraphs of dummy text. So I will then change the resize video with contents mode, and we'll change it to locked content in shortcode. So I'll click update. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this second shortcode here. I'm going to add it to my post where the video is in. So if we just quickly add it here, I'm going to add it underneath the video shortcode. And then if we go back to our settings, we'll see that we've got this locked content is going to appear, this post content, this text, is going to appear in this shortcode at 2 seconds and then disappear after 8. So this is a great way of locking any type of content. Maybe you want to lock your whole post content until your visitors watch your video. Maybe you want to make them watch your entire video and then have this appear at the end, have your post content appear at the end. You can do that. Again, you can do it not just with text, but anything you want. Images, download links, whatever you want. So let's refresh the page. And we'll see here that after 2 seconds, where we indicated 2 seconds, instead of the buy button appearing, we're now going to see some post content appear below the video. So go 1, 2, bang. See, it's our dummy text has appeared. So our post content has appeared at the point in the video we want it to. So now I've got one final really cool thing to show you, and I think I've maybe saved the best thing to last, and this is the thumbnail on scroll mode. So let's just show you how this works. So I'll remove the other video feature, remove this lock content feature, and I will enable thumbnail on scroll mode, and I'll choose my position, I'll choose the bottom left. So let's show you how this works. Update it, and then I'll pop back over to my website, and I'll click play. And now watch what happens when I scroll down. Boom, the video is playing away as I navigate the site in a little thumbnail mode. That's a full normal YouTube video playing as I navigate the site. But it gets even better than that. Let me just head back and play around with a few settings and show you something even cooler. So we'll head back and we'll re-enable our video feature. We'll re-enable this resize video with contents feature. I'll also stick my buy button back in. And I'll change the thumbnail position to be the bottom right. Just show you a different position, showing it this work in a different position. I'll have the content position appear to the left, and we will re-enable, re-update, refresh the page. So when we scroll down now, you'll see it appears in the bottom corner, but watch what happens after 4 seconds. Boom, our buy button has appeared just like before, but now in the thumbnail mode. So we are combining the two settings to just get an amazing engagement effect here. And that's fully clickable. We can click this button and then go and buy, and that's still a normal YouTube video. You know, this is just really powerful, amazing stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching this demo. I'm sure you can now appreciate just how powerful WP Video Ace is. I'm sure you're just as excited about this new technology as I am. And all that remains is for you to take action and buy now.